Hey guys, here. I have a bit of rain problem today. It's kind of chilly. It's like a hot rain. I live in Colorado. I like saying Colorado. It's pretty nice out here. Pretty nice day. Transition. Try not to drop it. Darkness, then redness, then whiteness, and then my cut. Booyah! Bright light. So we're going to go inside. We're going to stare at the floor for a little bit. Do 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 do. This is me. My little phone. Yep, this is me. What? Sorry guys. And on trance to the vision. Yep, this is me. So see you guys later.